from Creatures and Crafts. I know what you all are thinking. 1, her hair matches the tapestry behind. And 2, why does she have a band-aid on her face? Well, funny story, I got bit by a spider. Well, not that funny, but you know, kind of sucks. Anyway, I am over my rainbow hair. I have had it for 2 months now, and I'm ready to take you guys on a little journey with me to go red. So like and subscribe for more. Thanks. Well guys, here it is, the final product. I love it. Yeah. Tell me what you think in the comments. What do you think? I say it's a win. Thanks for watching.